I want to show you how to add a logo transition in Premiere Pro. Drag your logo onto your timeline and right-click. Then select Speed/Duration. Now modify duration to 11 frames and click OK. Then place your logo so it's perfectly centered between your two clips. Go over to Effects and search for Transform and add the effect to your logo. Then go over to Effect Controls. Move your timeline slider to the start of your clip. Then under Transform, click the keyframe button next to Position and Rotation. Now modify Scale so that the top and bottom go past the edges of the screen. Then adjust the horizontal position until your logo moves off the screen. Modify Rotation to -45. Then move your timeline slider to the end of the clip and modify it to 45. Now simply adjust the horizontal position until your logo moves past the side of the screen. To add motion blur, uncheck the Use Composition Shutter Angle and change the angle to 250.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.